using the low level and high level. Here in this case, only the extra block is linear power amplifier. So except this linear power amplifier, the same blocks we are seeing as in the case of high level modulated AM transmitter. So by using this block diagram, we can transmit low level carrier or frequency can be transmitted using the AM transmitter. Okay na? ముందు టాపిక్లో ఏం చేస్తాము, high level carrier or frequency can be transmitted by using the AM transmitter. In this case, low level carrier can be transmitted using the AM transmitter. Let me know the blocks. What is the first block? Second one? Next one? Next one? Next one? Next one? This one? Next one? This one? That's as usual, we know that the crystal oscillator is used to produce the oscillations or carrier frequency. Thus, the frequency which is produced by the crystal oscillator is not a high level carrier. It is the low level carrier frequency. So it is need to be increased so that we are applying this output of the low level carrier frequency to the buffer amplifier. So as usual, it is placed between the crystal oscillator and then harmonic generator. Why? Because it is used to avoid the loading effect. Not only that one, it also used to produce the impedance matching between the crystal oscillator as well as the harmonic generator. Now this crystal oscillators output of the low level carrier frequency is applied to the harmonic generator, which is used to produce the high level carrier frequency. Why? Because as we know, the carrier frequency produced by the oscillator is not sufficient to transmit. Hence there is a requirement of the multiplier which is connected at the harmonic generator. Already produced some carrier frequency by the crystal oscillator has to be multiplied, which is connected at the harmonic generator. Now the carrier frequency will be increased from low level to the high level. That was applied to the class C power amplifier. As we know, class C power amplifier is used to increase the efficiency of the carrier frequency. After increase the efficiency of the carrier frequency or carrier signal will be applied to the modulating amplifier. Actually, where both the carrier signal as well as the message signal will be combined or modulated or modulation will take place. Now come to the message signal. It is not a strengthened one or not a strong signal. It is weak signal. Now the weak signal has to be strengthened. Okay. For that purpose, it is applied to the audio amplifier. Audio amplifier amplifies the low level or low signal or low strength message signal. After getting the audio amplifier and the amplified signal will be the output of the audio amplifier. This one is applied to the modulating amplifier. Here we know that to increase the power level of the already output of the audio amplifier, this signal has to be increased. The power level of the amplifier, power level of the received message signal. This increased power level of the message signal has to be applied to the modulating amplifier, where the class B amplifier is applied. It is required. Class B amplifier is required. So that this after class B amplification of the modulating amplifier, it is applied to the linear power amplifier. So linear power amplifier is used to increase the linearity of the already produced signal. which is already amplified with the message signal and modulating signal has to be increase the power level. So this power level or linear signal will be transmitted to the antenna or transmitting antenna, where this low level signal also or carrier signal also can be transmitted using the AM transmitter. So previous topic it is proved high level signal can be transmitted. Now it is proved low level signal also can be transmitted. Finish.